Okay, right, hi guys, I am going to be showing you how to stall and then 180 off, or whatever, jump up and down a curb. Here we go. This should be good. Alright, as you can see, I've got my foot on backwards, because I'm amazing like that, and it gives me room to foot jam when I've got the right shoes on. But I haven't got the right shoes on. Foot jam. Okay, right, so this is how to jump off curb. You get some speed, and you just when you hop up, jump up, a bit more speed, and then you just hop up there. Okay. You get speed, you get more speed, up, like that, you see? Simple as that. It's a stall. That and then do it. So that goes around like here. Shuffle the wheel back. And then just God damn it. See, that's why I need new grip, guys. I think I broke a tooth. See so much wide, this tooth. God damn it. It's good if you can bunny hop off curbs. It's a good skill if you can like bunny hop up curbs. Because then you would be able to stop. Jesus. Oh, you guys didn't see that, did you? Oh, shit.